This is your fuse box. It is located directly under the master bed, right in front of the wardrobe section of the coach. So to open it, you just push this button. The only reason you should be going into this is if you have a power outlet that is not working. Go to here first. It'll most likely be your AC, which is this 20 amp breaker. This panel schedule tells you what the breakers are. So this is the converter, AC, GFI, refrigerator, water heater, microwave, and the main. This side is your fuses. So the primary problem we've experienced is when we're running the AC and somebody runs the microwave, they will not run together. One will trip, and it's typically the AC unit breaker. So if the AC shuts down or the microwave shuts down, come to this fuse box and it's going to be this breaker or this breaker, more times than not. Thank you.